one point or another, most of us have felt loneliness. After divorce or losing a loved one, it is not just an emotional pain. Research shows that losing a partner can feel that you losing part of your identity. Studies also have shown from Harvard and University of Chicago that loneliness increases stress levels, affects our sleep, and can increase the risk of heart disease. So these are big health impacting things. And to me, loneliness energetically feels like a thick, heavy cloud that impairs our vision. And that's why I think it's so hard to reach out to friends and family, to burden them with your loneliness. And maybe it is because people don't often know how to react when somebody says, well, I'm lonely. And what I want to add is that loneliness is not a weakness. It's a sign that your heart is ready to heal. There's a difference between loneliness and being alone. Loneliness feels like this dark cloud that you cannot see beyond. But being alone, you're home in yourself. You're present to yourself. And from that place, it's much easier to start reconnecting and expanding your social and emotional circles. And how to get from loneliness to being alone? It's a mental shift. You have to start seeing your value. You have to see that you're not truly alone. You have people in your life. You have you to support and love you. And start releasing the heavy weight of loneliness. Start doing things that bring you joy. So start bringing light and life to it. And you don't have to be alone, literally. You can ask for help from coaches, from therapists. I hope that this helps, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi. I was editing my video. I realized that if you would like for me to do a video where it goes more into detail about the steps to take when you want to reconnect, when you want to expand your social circles, etc. So leave in the comments if you would like that, and I'll do my next video on that. Okay, bye again.